Hey guys, I am Suman. Welcome to my channel. I am going to tell you about my recent PC build under 40,000 for video and audio editing. First of all, we are going to see all the components I bought from Amazon for this PC build. First component, chipset, which is AMD Ryzen 7 2700. Motherboard, Gigabyte A320-M S2H. I am using Gigabyte Geforce GT 1030 low profile graphic card, which is 2GB DDR5. Corsair Vengeance LPX 8GB DDR4 RAM. I have Antec VP550P plus 550W 80+ rated power supply, which is PSU. And finally, I am using Zebronics Athena premium chassis, which is best case for budget build. I have not purchased HDD because I am using the old one, which is 500GB. Okay, let's do the unboxing. First of all, motherboard, which is Gigabyte GA A320-M S2H, which has very good features for budget PC building, which comes with very sturdy body, and it has great features like it has 4 3.0 USB sockets and 2 2.0 sockets. Next, the chipset, which is AMD Ryzen 7 2700, which is a great chipset for editing purposes. It has 8 cores and 16 threads, which is best for multi-processing works like editing, video editing, audio editing, and other purposes. First of all, we get the paperwork, which has all the details of the chipset. This is the chipset, which is very gorgeous. With this chipset, we get a good cooler, which is very important for the chipset. It comes with LED light strip, which is a RGB light system, which looks great. It is very sturdy. Next, we have the Corsair Vengeance LPX 8GB DDR4 RAM, which is necessary. 8GB is minimum requirement for the video and audio editing works. All the heavy softwares will work smoothly. Next, SSD. SSD is very important for the speed of the computer. I have Seagate Maxter Z1 SSD, which is 240GB internal solid state drive, which is 2.5-inch SATA. We have to use this as a main memory disk, which will have the Windows and other softwares installed in it. With this, the PC will be faster. Next component is graphic card, which is Gigabyte Geforce GT 1030 low profile 2GB DDR5 graphic card, which is best for budget PC building. And you get full HD video display feature, and it is very good for gaming also. Finally, my PC cabinet looks like this with Zebronics Athena case. Please like, share the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.